Ingleborough, one fat man's quest to climb a hill and shoot some photos.
Well, I'm not going to lie, it's been slightly challenging so far. Now, despite having come to the Dales on and off for a few years, I've never actually really done much walking. And being here on my own, I don't feel the pressure of leaving somebody further down. And it's fair to say that the only way you can really experience this place is on foot or perhaps on bike. I suppose I could fancy biking up here once I get a bit of fitness back, but not today, if only for the fact I haven't got the bike. I haven't been tempted to get the camera out yet. Well, I have, but not tempted enough. I suppose that's also not true. Bit of apathy kicked in, which is probably okay because I don't really documented the walk up here. I'd say climb, but I think that's doing an injustice to what is effectively a steep walk by an unfit man. But hopefully what we'll end up with is quality rather than quantity. I don't know how much further I am up since the last bit to camera, but I first took a swig of this, which is, it doesn't say how much was in it, but I don't know, was it half a litre? Something like that. I first took a swig at the last stop where you saw me, and I've had another one now, and I realise that ain't enough. Oh, that isn't enough. I'm going to have to now ration myself on that because, hell, I need more. Blue sky up in towards Ingleborough. And as we turn and look the way I've come up, looking back into the sun, it's incredibly hazy, I suppose, as you might expect, but let's hope that that's going to produce a nice sunset. Now, if you can see the speck of people up there, that's the path from where I am here. I just got to get up there to the summit, which I hope is there. Oh. Whew. Feels like I should be able to pick up moon rock from the top. One thing you may have noticed is that as I've got further up here, there's been a distinct reduction in B-roll. Can't account for it really. Okay, so you want to know why there's less B-roll? It's because I've got to keep coming back for the bloody camera. So I'm about, I don't know, a couple of 100 metres from the summit here, and it's the first time I got the camera out. This is a 6-shot pano with a 12mm lens, so yeah, I've not zoomed in on anything, just showing the vista that I was faced with looking back. Yeah, lots of curvature of it and such because it's a big wide pano, lots of optical distortion, and I'm not going to spend time correcting it. The image isn't worth it from my point of view. It's really as a reminder that I was there, but Christ, what a view. And this one I wasn't going to show you either. I just had a quick play with it in Luminar, and I just pulled the highlights down and saw these rays coming in the sky. I thought, oh, actually that's rather nice. Not photographically great, but yeah. This is the final scramble up to the top. No video of this, just concentrating solely on getting there, because I really didn't think I was going to make it. Well, I made it. And oh, this is awesome. The landscape all around here is just fabulous. We can't see a lot of it over there. It's very, very hazy. But yeah. But it's getting chilly, and with the sun going down that way and the haziness, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a longer lens on, and I'm going to pick out bits of the landscape from here and worry more about the colour of the sun on descent. Although of course getting down is going to be, I hope, I hope, easier than coming up. The light's really hitting the hill gorgeously over there. That is nice. It's so minimalist. It's just one of the shots I've got, and desaturated it a lot, just picking out the details on the top of that hill there. But I think it works incredibly well in mono as well. Very pleased with these. Very pleased. What do you think? Black and white or colour? Let us know in the comments. That's gorgeous. I think also there's a pano in the offing on that. Let's see if we can do it handheld. I love shooting with the telephoto lens. This is a 40 to 150, so the equivalent on a full frame sensors up to 300mm, and it allows you to get really, really detailed images. Just pick out bits of the landscape that you wouldn't see in a wide angle, such as this rock formation, which is Whernside. And it's just, it's gobsmacking just how detailed you can make this. And this isn't a particularly good lens either. It's you know, a budget lens, and yeah, as I say, the detail is astonishing. Now, I have processed these in DxO RAW, which I'll talk about in another video, but yeah, stitched together, and we've got a fantastic panorama. Hope you agree. Whew. I think I'm going to start heading back. I've got to be honest. I don't want to be up here for when it gets too cold, because I'm not that well prepared. I hoped I was going to be okay, but the winds are, well, it's not sort of windy. But as that sun's lowering, we're losing considerable temperature, and let's not forget, it is still only April. What I really ought to do is come this way and take a look at the view of this edge. Oh my God, I'm glad I've come this way. I've never seen Ribblehead Viaduct from here. Of course I haven't, I've never been here, but that is bloody awesome. I was absolutely gobsmacked by the view here. I'm fascinated by Ribblehead. In any case, I think it's a wonderful structure and I love taking photos of it. But this view is great, and I got a second as well. And you can see the tonality of these two images is different. It's just because of the way I've post-processed them. But I think the pair of them as vistas, they're just lovely. Really enjoy these ones. Steps, makes it easier. Well, sun's well down behind the hills now. We've got some beautiful colour that way, which makes shooting. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's behind me there. That tree against it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm going to show you the best of the huge array of these that I've shot, and I hope you like that. And I'm carrying on down here because despite the fact that Ingleborough is clearly now a long way behind me, I've still got a long walk ahead. Coming down, oh, fantastically easy comparatively. Going up, well, I'm sure some people find it easy. I didn't. I did not at all. But I made it. That's the important thing, I made it. So that's the achievement for today. Can't remember how many feet or metres above sea level it is. It's on a plaque up there, which is on one of the videos. I don't know whether I'm going to include it or not. But hey, what an experience. And some great landscapes. I mean, yeah, really, really stunning. And gonna have to come back at some point, but maybe next time Penny Ghent gets sorted out for Penny Ghent, perhaps.